imagination and adventure with our latest outdoor wonder, the 2-unit Royal Theme MAPS. Designed to transport children to a magical realm of fun and fantasy, this custom-built playground equipment is every child's dream come true. Introducing the 2-unit Royal Theme MAPS, where creativity knows no bounds. With not one, but two exhilarating slides, a delightful swing, and charming cartoon-themed elements like butterflies and snails, this playground paradise is bursting with endless possibilities for fun and exploration. But what truly sets our Royal Theme MAPS apart is its unwavering durability and all-weather resistance. Rain or shine, this sturdy wonderland stands tall, ready to withstand the elements and provide countless hours of joy and laughter for your little ones. Picture the laughter and excitement as children race down the slides, swing to new heights, and embark on whimsical adventures with their favorite cartoon friends. With vibrant colors and playful themes, the 2-unit Royal Theme MAPS sparks imagination and fosters unforgettable memories. And with customizable features, you can create a playground paradise tailored to your unique vision and space requirements. Can relax knowing their children are safe and secure as they explore and play. So, whether they're climbing, sliding, swinging, or dreaming, the 2-unit Royal Theme MAPS promises endless fun and magical moments for children of all ages.